Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 20th of August. Let's go Scorpio. We got a fake business coming out for Scorpio, so I'm getting it's fake. The check is fake, the bank account is fake, the phone call is fake. This is just fucking fake. That's what I'm fucking getting. There is a ghost in my room. We got it's over and celebrity. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know if you're hallucinating or I'm getting somebody really penetrate your bum on a contract. I'm getting I got fucked over by a contract. This could also be me getting something about a house. You're supposed to get a house for your contract. I'm getting somebody bought an apartment for you. Somebody bought an apartment for you, but the building manager took away the apartment from you. Something like that. I'm getting somebody spend about $89,000 or $43,000. Maybe them bought a hotel room. I'm getting somebody to buy a room in our hotel. I'm getting you spend about $28,000 or 40 something thousand for the room. I don't know if you're working government service. I'm getting them give them say you could buy the room in the hotel for about 40,000 or 80 something thousand. I'm getting you buy one room a night, but I'm getting the building manager evicted who was in the room. Maybe if you give them daughter the room. Hi. Something like that. So I'm getting the building manager take your money and him take your room. You might think someone's still living in that hotel. They're not. They were evicted. The building manager didn't see it fit that this girl was owning a hotel room, while his daughter, who's religious, she had nothing. We have the emperor. Yeah, fake business. So I'm getting you need to take a trip to that hotel, sir, or that Airbnb, because I'm getting who you buy it for, they're not there. So you might be getting catfish. Fake business. The emperor. Yeah. I'm getting somebody was trying to protect you, then buy something and put you somewhere, and some people were like, we're going to tell them, what did they do, huh? Did someone buy a hotel room for you and they decided to fucking try to drug you with fentanyl to kill you for the hotel room? Yeah. And then they told people that you were smoking fentanyl in the hotel room, didn't they? Oh, man, I live crazy. I live a crazy life, man. There is a ghost in my room, the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, because I'm getting the ghost I tell you, say, I hear a room, I hear a house. Somebody's supposed to kick you out of this. I'm getting a lot of money. I'm getting somebody keep going to the front desk and leaving money in the mornings. Or I'm getting every week somebody leave front desk that envelope of money. They're not getting it. They might thief the money. If they got the money, you would have gotten a call to say thank you. Oh, also I wanted to say, Scorpio, for the record, I want to say I have no side niggas. I have none. I am only faithful to one guy, and I love this one. No, I might not know who this guy is. I never met him before, and I don't know how he looks. But apparently, this guy knows me. So all I am here to say is, until that person reveal their face to me, right, and stop tormenting and sucking up my blood clots, I have no side niggas. None. I only have one, and I am yet to meet him. Okay? Cool. There's a ghost in my room, 10 of Pentacles. Somebody family could even own the hotel. Because I'm getting fake business, the emperor. So something about a lease, something about a building. Somebody might send you go on building or tell you to come somewhere when you go. Them say, no, we never call you. Nothing go so. Who are you again? I'm also getting fake business, and there's a ghost in my room, 10 of Pentacles. I'm getting the emperor wants you to come work for him at night. But I'm getting a lot of money. You might have to go to the emperor house. I'm seeing you get an Uber. I'm seeing somebody order an Uber for you and you're going to the emperor's house. I'm getting, you go to the house, I'm getting the emperor tell you some stuff, and when you leave, in blood clot. I'm getting no vagina was exchanging this. I'm getting you went to meet the emperor. I'm getting the emperor don't touch you. The emperor tell you to sit down over there and talk to you, and then he might tell you something about a lot of money more. I'm getting somebody want to give a contract for a lot of money. Now I also feel like the emperor is seeing stuff in his house. He must see things. I'm getting somebody a haunt him. His wife a haunt him. His grandfather a haunt him. Somebody a haunt the emperor. I'm getting them want you. I don't know if they want you to stay with them for 24 hours or I don't know. I'm getting something. Yeah, Ace of Cups, clarifying it's over, and celebrity is the Ace of Wands. We have Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands. So, and then we have the Hermit, Virgo. I'm getting somebody's going to leave an inheritance to you, or somebody did. I'm getting somebody leave the house and the will to you. I'm getting is either they make you miss the court date and tell the judge, say, see, she don't interested. Or I'm getting, this is crazy, I'm getting when you get somebody, when you get a double ganger. When you get a real life doppelganger for going to the courtroom and say, yes, it's me, and sign the paperwork and give somebody else the money. Me getting the girl in the courtroom who did show up. Me getting, I know that is not the person. Them get a doppelganger. Not even a doppelganger. Them get some, them get, if it did white, them get one other white looking girl with red hair for coming to the courtroom and say you is them. Cause me getting, you don't have the money. Or emperor, call the bank and ask the bank if there's a transaction of a check number being deposited in this account. No, the bank might tell you, oh, the money can't be deposited because the person don't have, you know, like when you have very, very low bank account, you only have like a minimum deposit, like you can only withdraw $1,000 or you only can deposit $1,000. Me getting something about wired money. It could be like 10 grand, 15 grand, but me getting a bank account cannot hold that much. So first of all, the money not gonna transfer. Me getting the money can't transfer that way, but what can be done, there's something about a check. Me getting the check missing. You don't know where the check there. Let me tell you where the check is. The people them receive the check and then tear up the check. I said, not my business. Don't give a fuck. We hate that bitch anyways. That's what happened, Emperor. Your employees tore the check up. And if you want confirmation of this, call the bank. Call the bank, the check, where the bank come from, call them and ask them if there was just a check number or cash out. If the bank tell you no, that means the person never got the check. Or the check has not been cashed. Because I'm getting is either the person can't cash the check. Because look, me have Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands. That's like, here's money for take care of yourself and please buy something nice to wear so the next time I see you, I can see you with it on. I'm also getting something but a lot of money. I'm getting a will. They're going to leave you the will. Maybe they did leave you the will, but them try to get rid of you. Because I'm getting the old man left everything to you, apparently. I'm getting him family was greedy. Or the family, they leave other people for take care of him. I'm getting him, I left everything to you. You're gonna get everything. You're gonna get the house, you're gonna get the money, you're gonna get everything. You probably don't even know this man. But I'm getting the man know you. Or the man know about you. I'm getting the man's like, I'm going to leave everything to her. So you might be wondering, why is my life like this? Why I can't get ahead? Why whatever? I'm getting, you have a big blood clot insurance. Now maybe the family of the man is trying to stop you from getting this money. Somebody might try to deem you unwell, mentally unwell for have so much money. But I feel like the family pissed because the house and the wealth was supposed to go to them. But I'm getting them be too greedy or them be evil. So I'm getting the man. I don't know where you meet the man. Want this man, this older man, I'm getting him left you, him left the will to you. Now, of course, if you are a poor woman and a rich man decide to leave a will to you, him family gonna fight your feet. Who the fuck is this bitch? Just come in and get it. Maybe the lawyer's crooked too. The lawyers might buy out and tell us not to go. So, oh, he didn't leave it to you, blah, blah, blah. Me getting them get another girl for go. And they met the other girl collect the money. And, yes, I'm getting you got robbed, babe. Or I'm getting, I don't know. I don't know who have it out here in this lifetime, but they do not want to see you with money. It's okay, sweetie. You might see me with your husband. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.